Not all, not
Uh,
this dude. According to the Sharia, he's out of Islam anyway. He's an apostate. He's a kafir.
Hamza, how
yeah.
you doing, sir?
A day of birth does not mean anything, eh? Because you're also Christian. You don't
Christian
even know
Malik,
where
this
you
kafir
don't need.
is
You don't
wasting
also
your
know
time,
when
sir.
Jesus is
Yeah,
born,
all
right?
right, sir.
Not even
Hamza,
in
how you doing,
Islam. He's
sir?
out of Islam.
Yeah, I'm good. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you, sir.
So I seen your title, Islam is false, prove me wrong.
Right.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? It means, for example, Islam makes loads of claims, and these claims they can't be backed up through history. It makes a lot of claims, like for example, the Spider-Man book, Wakanda, the Marvels. These are novels, these myths. But when you go back in history, there is no place in Africa called Wakanda. This doesn't exist. So we can verify the claims made by Islam. For example, where it says that Muhammad was born in Mecca, there was a tribe called the Quraysh, and the Quraysh were the keepers of the Kaaba. They were the main traders in Arabia of that time. So we should be able to find history of this tribe called the Quraysh. If the Quraysh didn't exist, there's big problems. It shows that Islam is false, because Quran chapter 53 verse 19 to 21, it talks about
You want this?
the cranes, the intercessors that they use to get close to Allah, Manat, Al-At, and Al-Uzza. And it says that the pagans in the Quraysh, they acknowledged Allah as a creator. They called upon Allah in times of distress. They allocated their crops to Allah. When you read Surat Rasulullah, you find that Allah was there. Muhammad's father, Abdullah. So you can see that there was this very powerful tribe that done trading, and there were the rulers of the trade routes. But I want you to find me some information to verify these claims that Allah was the chief deity by this tribe called the Quraysh, or that the Quraysh even existed.
How old is the Quran, brother?
Did you misunderstand my question?
Yeah, but how old is the Quran? If the Quran is 1,400 years old, and it's still a story about Muhammad,
King Baldwin, did I
then it's
ask? Can you guys hear me? Did I ask my question right?
then it's quite
Yes, I don't know
accurate.
what he's talking about. He's not even
No,
answering you, sir. He's
the
ignoring
Quran
you and he's talking around you like he didn't listen to what you said.
So Hamza, did you understand what I said to you?
Oh, okay. No, I understood what you said, but did you misunderstand the question I asked you?
You asked me
We're not
about
interested in your circular reasoning, sir.
why don't you want to answer the question?
What question do you think I asked you?
You asked me why do I
Amazing.
think Islam is false?
No, I didn't say that.
What did you ask me?
A false what?
False. It's false. It's not true. It's like a fairy tale book.
A false what, though?
Yeah, it's a
False
fairy
what?
tale.
Yes, Islam
It's a
is
comic
false.
book fairy tale.
It's a fairy tale book, Hamza. What the claims that Islam is false, like the claims, I mean, the hadith, the seerah of the Prophet, the Quran verses, everything it talks about is
You did
false.
misunderstand my question. Okay, I'll ask you again. You say Islam is false. A false what?
What is Islam?
You're making the claim, mate. I'm not going to help you with your claim.
Mate, come on.
So he doesn't know.
Come on, how about if you go to a Muslim room and it says Christianity is false, what do you think they're talking about? Football?
Answer the question then, mate.
What they're talking about?
I'm asking you.
Christian
You
Malik,
don't know.
all he's doing is deflecting. Sir.
You're playing.
He's
Come on,
deflecting.
Hamza, man. You're better than this, Hamza, man. You've been doing this for
Hamza is
years, and now you're
deflecting.
acting like this.
One second, mate. King Baldwin.
He is deflecting, sir. He's trying to answer a question with a question.
Okay,
as a
Hamza.
method
The
of
religion as a
deflecting.
whole. The religion as a whole. Are you happy?
No, well, let me just address this nonsense at the top. King Baldwin, how can I be deflecting a question when I'm trying to understand it? How is that
Because-
deflecting? It's the opposite.
Because you don't understand what Islam is.
I think you're playing. I think you're playing silly. Oh, Hamza just defeated the
Playing
claim.
absolutely silly.
Come on, Muslims, man.
King Baldwin is
What's
banging on about
Islam?
deflection, and that
What's
would mean I'd be
Islam?
avoiding the question.
Here.
I'm trying to understand.
Hamza, I want you
Here.
to relax. Hamza, we're all
Nonsense.
cool here. We're all cool here, Hamza. We're just having a
King
discussion,
Baldwin's
right?
talking nonsense, so it's best to shut him up.
Right. Don't be rude to the moderator, please. Don't do that.
He's talking nonsense.
Yeah.
Don't do
Keep
that.
me in a good mood, sir.
How is
Don't
trying
put me in
to
a bad
clarify
mood.
question
So,
like-
Hamza, let's get back to my claim. Islam is false because it's a fairy tale book.
a false what?
It talks about things that can't be verified historically. I just gave you a reason.
A false what? Just answer that. I mean, the chat has answered the question. All you need to do
Now
is
he's
answer the
doing the technique of fixation.
You're
He's
really good.
ignoring
So
the
if I
fact that
say
you've already
Islam is
answered it.
false, you don't understand what
question.
that
Is
means.
your moderator or is this your
He
lawyer?
don't understand that. He doesn't
Is this
understand
your
that.
barrister? You can't speak for yourself.
You don't
This guy
understand
needs
what
to-
that means, Hamza.
Are you like? Is it like your ventriloquist dummy or something?
So see, you're getting down to insults because you're panicking right now. Relax.
I'm not
We're
panicking.
chilling.
I'm asking you
Panicking.
to clarify your question. You can't do
He's
it.
We're chilling,
panicking.
Hamza. I already told you a billion times. If you don't
He
know
already
what
told you,
Islam
Hamza.
is,
Not
if
our
I
fault.
say
You
Islam
ignored
is
it.
false, if I say Islam
I
is
know what it means.
false,
I'm trying to understand what it means.
and you don't know what that
He's
means,
already
how can I help
told
you,
him.
Hamza?
I'll say it again to you. If you explain to me your question, I can. It's your claim, right? I'm trying to understand it. I'm not.
He's already explained it. You ignored it.
I've tried. How can I be ignoring it if I'm trying to understand it?
You don't
Easily, that's what you've
understand
been
what.
doing.
If I say Judaism is false or Christianity is false, you don't understand if someone says Christianity is false.
Okay, I'll say it again to you.
Amazing.
You made the claim, Islam is false, prove me wrong. So first thing I need to understand is two things I need to understand. First thing is a false what? Second thing, I think you're saying false according to history. I think that's your standard historical.
According to everything, according to
Well, from what you
spelling
said,
mistakes in the
Islam is
Quran,
just completely
according to
false.
the
Is this why
narrative,
you're ahead?
according to all of that.
Tell all
Islam
the
is
people that
false.
please.
Islam is false. How the Marvel books are false. They're not true. It's a myth.
Keith, can you tell Orville to be quiet? Okay, now I'm asking you again. Islam is, it's your claim. You've put it in big letters. I'm trying to understand what you're trying to say. So just spell it out. Islam is false what?
It's not false what?
We
Because
already
you
spelled it out,
already know
sir.
what Islam is. You know what Islam is.
Right.
I want
Exactly.
to understand is Islam is false.
What he wants to do is keep shuffling and waffling around. That's what he wants to
Islam,
do.
Oh,
Islam is
speak.
false. You don't understand that?
I'm speaking to Keith. I'm speaking to Keith. Keith, can you respond, please? Islam is false what?
How come you didn't ask him why is it false?
Orville, I'm speaking to Keith. I'm speaking
Why
to Keith.
did you not ask him why it's false?
Hamza, to be fair with you, Hamza, I
You're an
really
NPC,
did.
mate.
I really did expect
You're
more
NPC,
from you.
mate.
But this cowardness, Hamza,
Hamza, you are a complete
If you can't
disappointment,
explain your own
sir.
claim, I can't help you.
You
I'm not
have been
You guys-
judged on this.
Islam
You are
is false.
complete-
You're like, Islam what? What does Islam mean? I don't know what
I didn't ask you
Islam
Islam
is.
means, did I? See, this is my problem. You don't even understand the word Islam. I'm not even asking you what does Islam mean. You said
Islam, everything as a
You see,
whole,
he won't
everything,
stop
everything,
deflecting.
anything that's Islam is false. Everything. Islam as a whole. If somebody says Christianity is false, you know, Christianity what? What do you mean? Do you mean the
Why do you
doctrine?
keep
Do you mean
focusing on the-
what do you
I
mean?
didn't
Like
say
Islam
that.
is false.
No. Keith, take a deep breath. Right, listen. Okay. I'm asking you. You're making a claim. Islam is false. I'm asking you a false what?
What do you mean false what?
You don't understand English?
Christian man, can I ask you a question, sir?
What do you mean false what?
Why won't he ask you?
You don't understand
You
English?
notice he didn't ask you. You notice he didn't ask you why it's
Why
false.
don't you ask me
Notice he didn't
why
do
do I
that?
think Islam is false?
Because that will come secondary.
Plain
First
and
point is,
simple.
a false what?
Because he knows once he does that, he's in all kind of trouble.
Listen, Orville.
Trouble he
Orville,
doesn't
no
want
one's
to
in any
deal
trouble,
with
mate.
because this is being recorded.
Islam is false, my friend. Islam is false.
Completely false.
It's false
Islam,
what?
Islam, Islam,
False.
Islam is
Completely
false.
false.
Islam.
The chat is trying to help you.
Islam is
So
false.
Hamza,
You're not trying to help us, you're trying to
if somebody
survive.
says to you, Hamza, Christianity is false, you don't understand that?
False what?
What do you mean false what?
Amazing.
What is Islam?
Can't you read your own chat? Your own Christians are trying to help you.
What
Chat.
is Islam?
Take a
What
deep
Christians
breath.
is trying to help me?
Take a deep breath.
These are your fans, bro. You have 44,000 followers. These are all your fans.
I can see they're
All
Christians.
his buddies.
I can see they're Christians. Okay.
Look, they're saying, is it a religion or an animal?
Islam is a false what?
No. It's not. Islam is a. That's not what it's written there. This is plain English, mate. Islam is false. Prove me wrong.
Okay, what do you mean by
You can
Islam?
ask me what about Islam is false.
Seeing as though you can't put a sentence together, I'll try to help you. What do you mean by Islam?
Notice how he doesn't want to deal with the question, Christian Malik. He's avoiding
I'll help
what you
I'm trying
said
to help you.
in the title. He's not helping us. He's playing games.
Oval, I'm speaking to Keith.
He
here.
is playing
Oval.
games, wasting our time, saying a bunch of nothing, pure nonsense.
Orville, no one's talking to you, mate. All right, well, I'm going to help him out because he can't put an English sentence together. What I'm going to try to do is by helping him understand Islam, that will help him with the sentence. So, how do you understand Islam in your claim?
What are we doing here, man? What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
He's deflecting. He is.
What
he
are we doing
is
here, Hamza?
deflecting. He's sidestepping. He's
Why are
doing
you doing
everything
this,
but
Hamza?
dealing because he has no choice.
You don't know what Islam is.
I'm asking you. You made the claim.
You don't know what's Islam. It's not Christianity. It's not Judaism.
What is Islam,
It's
then?
not
When you
Sikhism.
say- when
It's
you
not
say Islam,
Hinduism.
what are you saying? Okay, what are you saying when you say Islam? What are you meaning?
What do you think I mean when I say Islam?
Why do I have to read your mind? Can't you just tell me?
Oh, this guy is seriously. There's seriously something wrong with you. There's seriously something wrong with you. I'll show you what Islam is.
You're asking
Don't worry
me to
about
read
that.
your mind. Just tell me.
I'll show you what Islam is. Don't worry, I'll show you.
I don't need you to show me. Just tell me in your claim how you understand the term Islam or how it's false. Or what you mean by false.
I already gave you the reason.
No, I didn't ask for the reason. I'm talking about what is false or what do you mean by Islam?
Why don't you go and ask ChatGPT what Islam means?
Why do we need to go to ChatGPT? ChatGPT didn't make that title. You did.
Go to ChatGPT and ask because you're struggling now. You're struggling now. You're a Muslim, but you don't know what Islam is.
You're struggling to understand your own claims that you put there
You
in life.
don't know what Islam
He
is.
does this to everyone. There was a Christian that wanted to
I know,
debate,
I
and he
see.
wanted the Christian to pass a English test. This guy's a weirdo.
And you're failing the English test right now.
Amazing.
Come on, man.
Hamza,
Don't-
you are a
You're
complete
asking me to read
disappointment.
your
sir.
mind and go to
What
ChatGPT.
is
You are a
Islam?
complete disappointment.
Islam is an Abrahamic monotheistic religion centered around the belief in one God, Allah, and the Prophet Muhammad as the final messenger. The word Islam means submission or surrender to the will of God, and its followers are called Muslims. Core practice is based on the 5 pillars of Islam. 1. Shahada, profession of faith. 2. Salat, prayer 5 times a day. 3. Zakat, charity. 4. Psalm, fasting during Ramadan. 5. Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. The Quran, which Muslims believe is the verbatim word of God revealed to Muhammad, and the Sunnah, the teachings and practices of the Prophet Muhammad, are the primary sources of guidance. Would you like?
That's Islam.
Okay, so in
So
there.
Hamza,
One
I
second.
want you to take notes on that.
This
since
guy's
you
a
don't know what
joker, man.
Islam is. Get your
I'm speaking to the
notebook and
organ
take
grinder, not the
notes.
monkey.
Now
Take
remember,
notes.
Hamza, I taught you something just now. What is Islam?
No, you heard it. You heard it. So Islam.
Go ahead. We're gonna quiz you, Hamza.
Listen, we're not talking to the monkey. We're talking to the organ grinder. So
What is
shut
the
up.
Islam?
You're the monkey, sir.
Monkey.
You're the shattering monkey.
So you heard it. So you heard it, yeah. Okay. So Islam.
Yeah.
Is,
Go ahead,
Stop
chattering
panicking. Stop
monkey. We want to
panicking.
hear what you got to say now.
So Islam is the submission and surrender to God, yeah. According to your Chat GPT,
To what God?
there's only one God.
To what God?
There's only one God.
Does it matter what God it's submitting to?
There's only one God. God of Abraham.
Does it matter what God it's submitting
The
to?
God of Abraham. The God of Abraham.
Who is the God of Abraham?
Allah.
Allah is the God of Abraham.
Yes.
Abraham worshipped Allah.
Yes.
Where'd you get that from?
Quran.
That's circular reasoning.
No, that's straight.
Yeah, circular.
That's
Purely
circular
circular.
reasoning.
How is that circular? How is that circular?
So,
Circular
so
reasoning.
what? Tell me what you
Let me ask
believe
let me
about
ask you.
Allah.
One
Tell me
second,
what you
one second,
believe
one
about
second.
Allah.
No. So one second. No.
Is Allah
So
a
you're saying-
singular person deity,
second.
Hamza?
You're saying to me.
Hamza, is Allah a singular person deity?
One second. You're saying to me, when you ask me why do I believe Abraham worshipped
Who
Allah,
is Allah? Give me his
No,
attributes.
One second. Okay, you asked me which God did Abraham worship, and I said Allah. You said, how do I know this? Yeah, I said the Quran. You said
We
this
can't
is
prove that
circular.
historically.
Oh, okay. Who did Abraham worship according to you?
You can't prove that historically.
Who did he worship according to you?
Who did he worship?
Yeah.
The Father.
How do you know that?
Because it's written in every other book, except from the
So
Quran.
That's circular reasoning, mate.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Difference. What's the difference?
No, it's not. Because in
My book came
Christianity,
first,
in
sir.
Christianity, it says that he is. In Judaism, it says that he is. The Torah and the Gospels says that God is our Father.
What's the
Allah
difference?
is not a father.
What's the difference?
So what I want you to do,
is not.
you see how you,
Allah.
Hamza,
See your problem.
Isma. You see how you believe that Allah, listen, Asma, you see how you believe that Allah is a singular God, right? He is not begotten. Kun Allah wal ahad. Yeah, he does not beget. He's not begotten. He is one, right? He is not a father. He is not a spirit. To corroborate the teachings of Islam, find me a group of people
Wait. Let's ask
before the time of Islam. Go ahead.
What are you talking
And
about?
he's not omnipresent in his
And
essence.
he's not omnipresent. Find me a group of people before Islam that have the same beliefs as you
This
do.
nonsense
Okay,
that's taught
Arab
in his
Christian.
religion.
Arab Christians, what did they call God?
Father.
Have you read the Arab Bible? What's his
Father.
name?
When was the Arabic Bible written?
What's his name? What's his name?
Is the Arabic Bible before or after Islam?
Before.
Before?
Prove it.
Yes.
The oldest Arabic Bible, dummy, is Codex 151. It's called Codex Arabicus. When was that? What's the oldest manuscript we have of the Arabic Bible?
Mate? What do they call God in the Arabic Bible?
When was that written?
Arab Christians
You
call God,
said,
mate.
you said, I'm going to hold you to your claim, Hamza. I'm going to hold you to your claim.
Christians call God.
You said the Arabic Bible was written before Islam.
If you're not going to answer simple questions,
Relax, Hamza. I'm going to embarrass you now in front of all your people. You shouldn't have said that. You shouldn't have said that. Relax. Hamza, relax. Prove to me that the Arabic Bible, coward. Guys, Hamza, run away. Coward. And I'm going to put it up on the screen when the Arabic Bible, the oldest one, Codex Arabicus 151 was written. Bow, right there on the screen. Well done. Well done.
Make him a clip, sir. We're gonna make him a clip.
Hamza, I'm gonna go to Speaker's Corner. I'm gonna chase you right after this. Hamza, we will continue this, Hamza. We will continue. I'm gonna go to Speaker's Corner. I'm gonna clip this. I'm gonna save it. You said, Hamza, that the Arabic